Erectile dysfunction is not anything to be embarrassed about. At Las Vegas ED Doctors, we've literally treated thousands of men with ED. Whether you're 30 or 70, we understand how you feel, and how this is your private matter. That's why we set up our unique practice to be exclusive and discreet. You'll meet our doctors via telehealth, in the privacy of your own home. Then, we'll treat you with the most state-of-the-art technology found anywhere in the world. We use a powerful but gentle focused shockwave machine that you'll barely feel. But the results will be breathtaking. Start your journey by signing up for a free telehealth consult with a urologist. Not only is your consult at home, but we'll bring our treatment to you with our incredible mobile unit. But that's not all. After your treatments are over, we'll give you your own portable device, for free. Just in case your symptoms ever come back. Incredibly, the treatment that actually fixes the most common underlying cause of ED, which is occlusion of the blood vessels, often costs less than maintenance drugs, like Viagra, that always eventually stop working. Click on the link, and sign up for your free consultation. Your lover will thank you later.